Hello friends, first of all I will introduce myself. My name is Nikhil. Today's date is 4th August 2022. Today's topic name is difference between constructor and method. First we will see what is method. Method is a set of operations which perform a specific task. Means only they will perform that task, not other task than that. There are four types of methods. First is no argument, no return type. Second is with argument, with return type. With argument, with return type. Third is with argument, no return type. And fourth is no argument with return type. Next is what is method overloading. Then what is method overloading? Method overloading is a concept from which we will give all name of method is where all name of method is same, but the calling of method is decided through the number of parameters. For example, in some method, if in our classes there are three sum methods, then we have to give different parameters to that different sum method or different data types to that different sum methods, so that compiler can easily understand that which sum method we have to call. For example, first sum method has no arguments, means it has empty parenthesis. Second method has only two parentheses, and third has three parentheses. Three parameters. In second has two parameters. So if in main method some method is called with one parameter, then if in main method some method is called with two parameter, then the control flow of JVM control will go to directly to second some method in which there are two parameters. So this concept is known as overloading. Then what is a chaining method? Chaining. If one method is in the main method, we will call only one method, then that method will call remaining two methods. This concept is known as method chaining. Next is what is constructor? Constructor is a constructor is a method which performs a special task. Special task is initialization of variable or initialization of objects. There are two types of method constructors. Zero parameterized and one non-parameterized. And if there is in constructor, if there in class there is no constructor, JVM will create a default constructor in it. So we see what will the default constructor will do now. The default constructor will assign the value default value to the variables. For example, if we will use in class a data type of int variable, it will assign a default 0. If you will use string variable, it will assign as a null. This is done by default constructor. What are in a first if you want to call, if we have created object to call method, but first constructor is called and then object, then non-static method is called. Then if you want to call construct, then we will see concept of constructor overloading. Constructor overloading means what? then we will see the concept of convention of constructor. Means the name of constructor will be name of class, and first letter must be capital. Then we will see constructor overloading. The name of constructor is same, then it must have different parameter. This is known as constructor overloading. And what is constructor chaining? We will call only one constructor through one object in main method, then that constructor will call another constructor, but we can't use the next constructor name in that constructor, because it will compiler will consider as a method. So we will use this keyword. This keyword is used in three ways. First, to differentiate. If both the variables are local, then we use this variable to show the instance variable, because the first preference is given to local in same class. But and second, to show non-static method, and third to call the constructor in constructor. This is from all my side. Thank you.